Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and this is a Crypto.com video. If you're a CRO coin holder and you want an update to see what my thoughts are on the price action for this token right now, given what we've seen in the last year and what is coming ahead. And if you want to get some of the latest news that is coming for Crypto.com, you are in the right place. Watch till the end of this video, guys. Let's hop into the content. If you like the video, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk crypto, folks. So right now, guys, the overall market is down a little bit. August, September, typically bearish. Look at some of my previous videos to kind of get an idea of why I say something like that. I did a great video earlier today on that. Bitcoin's at $26,000. Ethereum's at $1,600 and change. I believe there's more downside for these tokens, which of course means that there is potentially more downside for the Cronos coin, guys. Well, how far down can we go? I would say that 3 cents is my absolute floor. I would not love to see the CRO token fall below 3 cents. 3.3 cents specifically is a key target for me. Now, I hope we don't crash down that low. I hope we just hold floor right here. Or, if we do dip lower, fine. Then we have a great opportunity to accumulate. But this token in the previous bull market, guys, was all the way up to almost $1. I anticipate to get there and even further in this next bull market when that comes along. And there are some things to look forward to. First up, you got to know, guys, that the Loaded Lions main city, the Metaverse game that's being launched by Crypto.com, comes out on August 30th. It is happening in just a matter of 9 or 10 days from now. This is very, very exciting if you're a Crypto.com holder because CRO coins will be used in-game as currency in the store and I think auction house within the game. And this is just going to bring more excitement and more attention to the CRO token and Crypto.com as an exchange. So if you're a CRO holder, this is very, very exciting for you. You should be happy. Negative news that I want to share with you guys. Token founder loses $250,000 and his house in a scam and is suing Crypto.com. Well, what happened here, guys? Is Crypto.com at fault? Did they scam somebody? No. The answers are in this article. This fellow says that he conducted his due diligence and directly verified every step with Crypto.com. This included checking the listing link on their website, reviewing all the received emails, confirming the contact information I was provided, and assessing the communication platform required by the listing agent, examining the actual listing contract, and all the details were all verified by multiple representatives from Crypto.com. But the problem with this is, and I found it out in another article, is that it was proven that, he claims he received correspondence from the exchange, but it found out that, he actually he later learned that he'd never been in contact with any official employees at all. So he thought he was in touch with Crypto.com employees, but he was not. He was in touch with scammers, and so he got scammed. And while this is terrible for this token creator, who's this token creator, by the way? This is the token creator of the Glow token CEO. And you're talking about, he was trying to launch this new token called Flare, I believe. And it failed. And he lost his house because he didn't do his due diligence. He thought he did his due diligence, but he wasn't talking with the proper channels. He was not talking to real people from Crypto.com. So now he's suing Crypto.com. Is Crypto.com wrong here? Well, maybe Crypto.com, he claims, needs better security, but I'd say maybe the guy needs to vet what he's doing a little bit more as a creator. And frankly, if I was looking at this creator of this token, Glow token CEO, I'm going to say, you're a CEO of a token. That's a lot of money. Shouldn't you have been more responsible with that and known whether or not you were talking with Crypto.com or not? You got to do your research, guys. You got to do your research. So this is a negative story for Crypto.com, but this will go away just like any other FUD that's came out about Crypto.com. It's very short-lived FUD. It's not like the DOJ is investigating them. It's not like some big news that they're getting sued by a government agency. They've had like 2 lawsuits from individuals because of, in this case, scammers that scammed a CEO. And in another case, they accidentally sent a transaction, which they want to recollect on. But the people that got that money ended up buying mansions and cars with the money that wasn't actually theirs. So very interesting stories for Crypto.com to get tangled in. But, it happens to everybody. Scams with Binance. Here's a tweet from CZ that was reposted, and Binance tweeted out this. We've been made aware of a scam project that has caught a lot of attention by lying about having a partnership with Binance. They tweeted about it. They said real partnerships are announced on an official Binance channels. And, same thing for Crypto.com, guys. You got to look at the source and look what's going on. There's nothing going on right now, really, that's crazy exciting. I think one of the cool things is that they are celebrating the Infinity Day, whatever that is, where everything will be divided by 21 million. There's 21 million in Bitcoin in existence, so they're keeping up with the Bitcoin and crypto community. And they did recently list PayPal's stablecoin, which is very interesting. But these are the things you got to do, guys. You got to look directly at the source. At the end of the day, they have 2.6 million followers on x.com, aka Twitter. Binance has a huge presence as well. And when you look at the price action, guys, no surprises here. No surprises at all. Here's your CRO price versus Bitcoin. I still anticipate, guys, that we get about a 25% retracement for CRO versus Bitcoin. As for the price of CRO versus the US dollar, there is a chance, guys, like I said in the very beginning of this video, that this thing comes down to the 3.3 cent level, which is a 37% more correction, and then comes back up. Binance is currently breaking down. If Binance really, really breaks down, I wouldn't be surprised if CRO broke down as well, just because coins of a similar existence would maybe trade together, right? Like an Ethereum would kind of trade similar to a Solana, and a Cardano and a Binance might trade similar to a CRO coin because they're both exchange tokens and their own chain solutions. So these are some of the things that I'm looking at, guys. No guarantees that we totally come down here, but I would love to just see this rally back up at some point. I say likely our rally point is from either where we're at now or 3.3 cents at the lowest. I just don't see us going any lower than that, folks. I just really don't. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I am so bullish on this token. I hold a lot of CRO tokens myself. We'll keep the content coming at you guys, but there's a lot to be excited about. Sure, there's some negative FUD out there, but there is Main City being released soon. Now, I don't expect a huge price pump for CRO on the release of the game, but you never know. You might get a little bit of a price action. You also could be at risk of a buy the rumor, sell the news. Who knows? Maybe Main City is the catalyst for that last little stair step that CRO might want to take down to the 3 cent level. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember, folks, to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.